Alright guys, there's date and time on our Garmin Furnace 620. And right now we are standing outside of a place called the Sunset Grille here in Michigan City, Indiana. So there's a look at the restaurant here. And over there is Lake Michigan, as well as some volleyball courts. But the main highlight of it, of course, is the elevator that they have here. And the elevator happens to be in this little room. We're gonna go take a ride on it. Looks like it's a Newer Otis model with a sign that shows all the items that are on the menu. How do you want to read that? And with that said, let's take on a ride. Now, off camera, I actually called the elevator to see if it was still working, even though the bar is not open yet. But it turns out the elevator is working. Now, watch what happens when I press the call button. You'll notice that this little message is kind of peeling off here since it's made of paper. Now, watch what happens when the door slides in. So I'm going to call the elevator. So it kind of brushes against that little space that's here. So here's what the elevator looks like. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. So here's the elevator. Let's go up to 2. And it's a Newer Series 2. Alright, so here are 2, which opens up here. We'll probably decide to install an MRL instead of a hydrofit or hydraulic, but that's what they installed. So let's get a cat view. It looks fairly new. I don't think this place was here beforehand. Anyways, here's the cocktail, beer, and wine menu. Some information about certain artists that are going to be playing these upcoming days. I'm going to actually open the door so you can see it better. There's that. And there's this, which I think is an exact copy of that one. So anyways, here's your fornicator, emergency light. Otis nameplate with the capacity. Your key switches. Here are your fixtures. And there's your phone right there. So now we're going to exit the elevator. Watch this close up. There it goes. Motion, and also a motion detector there. And for your fire alarm fans, you got a notifier smoke detector right there. A system sensor, Spectral Alert Advanced horn only unit. I don't think I've seen those before in person. And a Honeywell pulse station, which seems to be derived from Simplex. Now, looking at the building from the exterior, that wall right there is where the elevator is. And we'll stand back more so you guys can see it better. But as you can see, it could have easily been made glass, but for some reason they decided not to make it that way. And here's another view of the beach. Zoom into Lake Michigan so you guys can see a little bit better. There's looking out from the coast. Looks really pretty. So yeah, guys. Alright, let's get wrap it up for the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and that'll be it.